Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to discuss the issue of defects in cabbages. Now, if you look at these cabbages, if you look at this cabbage, it is very small and it has some defects. This is called nutritional defects. This one lacked nutrients from the beginning. This farm itself had been farmed on, tea has been here and it consumed a lot of nutrients. So when planting, it should have been supplied with things like manure and other nitrogen and phosphatic fertilizer. But the place was too barren, and therefore this kind of growth has been established. So you can see this cabbage is very small. It did not form the head. The leaves are shriveled. It did not go beyond maybe 10 centimeters. The root system is poorly developed, and it actually stunted. So this is what's called stunted growth, nutritional deficiencies. So if you are dealing with cabbages, you have to supply enough nutrients when it is young. Otherwise, it will not develop, it will stay like this. So this is a standard crop, and it is not good. And there are many others. This is only one, this is one, but there are many others. You can see these other ones are also standard. This one is standard. So this is a loss, in other words, because it has taken about 3 months for the crop to develop. But you can see the whole place here is a bit standard. But when you check the other side, you will see that the cabbages are doing fine. So we shall be looking at various cabbages and then see what are some of the problems they have. And this is going to be a learning lesson for us. Thanks. So while we are on this area of deficiencies, I have talked about crop deficiency, nutrient deficiencies in crops, in cabbages, and I have before I've demonstrated in another video how cabbages get standard. So these are the same environment, but in this environment where we are, you will see that some cabbages have done well. This one is relatively better. You can see the root system is well developed. The head is formed. It's about maybe 1 kilo, but it's not nicely developed. But if you check, there was a lot of organic matter that came down into this crop. Yeah, this one, somebody was burning some charcoal here or something, and therefore there's a lot of carbon in the soil. There are also a lot of leaves that were rotting down here. So there is enough organic matter inside this soil, and therefore this crop itself developed well. And you can see its neighborhood. This one is a good crop, this one is a good crop, this is a good crop. But immediately you move a bit to the side where there is no organic matter, you find that the cabbage starts to become small, and then in some other locations you find that there is a lot of nutrient deficiency. So in other words, what we are trying to say is that when you have organic matter in the soil, you will find that the crop will do well. So at various locations where they have some organic matter, the crop has done well, but the others have not done well. So that is it. Thanks.